Alright, isn't it? It's costing 4K that. So here we are, start a new job down at off Hunslet Road in Leeds, the Fleet Factors. Probably see them in the background there. I'll just turn it round so you can see what we're doing. We've got to come along all along here. I think there's about 60 metres in total of 2 metre high twin wire in black. We've got to go along here, then come down here. This is probably the worst bit here, but we've just got to cut this back a bit here. Probably have to go in half panels down here just to get over that. All we're going to do is follow this, there's a curb in there, you can't see it for the moss, but there's a curb in here. Just going to follow this along here. And we've got some big double leaf gates that are going here. 7.5 metre gates here, which have got a swing back 180 degrees here. I'm just moving this van for us so my guys can get part there. Like I say, we're just following along this curb line. Hopefully the digging's not too bad. Quite a few services and that I've noticed already. My preliminary type survey. Also you can see the tracks here where services are. So we'll do a good CAT scan. And then we're just going to finish up to here. Not a bad job really. Probably 2.5 days I would have thought to get this done, just depending on the digging. We'll keep you updated. Here's our post mixer we use, look. We use a few different types, look. Charles just loaded water tubs on there, look. Which quite hard in winter months. We don't actually have any water on tap in this yard, so we try and utilise rainwater that comes off of here, fills our big drums here, the IBC drums, but obviously in summer months it gets dry, but we have a lot of wet weather in this country, so we soon fill them up. We like to use a bit of ballast for his gate post. Goes off that bit stronger. We'll have to get the big hydraulic breaker out. So we just pulled up at Manningham Concrete, where we get some of our building supplies from. Let's get a couple of bags of cement. There's gate posts from here. Usually good lads here. This is a branch at Eccleshill. We do use them for timber fencing and stuff like that as well. Got another branch at Ollerton for that. Always. And the guys are here now, look. You're on now.
Hey! I'm alright, yeah?
What are you getting, Jeremy? 2 or 3 bags? Get 3 just in case. We always keep one, can't we?
Right, let's move this out of here, Charlie.
That's it, we've just got to go along here. Probably get to this building today, I think. Right, here we are, day 2 on this fence build down for Fleet Factors. We've got the gate posts in, stuff like that. I'll just turn it around and show you. You can see they're well in the ground then, solid. Got the other one in there. Just let them go off for a couple of days and then just hang them and drill the drop bolts and stuff that they need. As you can see, they've already cracked on down here. Looking quite well really. Do with a good wash down really. A bit dusty but looking the part. Let's say we always use them with the clamp bars here. Just better look. You can't just get them off with a screwdriver. Probably, I think we've had a day and a half on it so far. Getting these big gates in obviously slowed them up a bit. There's a bit of block paving and stuff to get out, as you can see them over there.
Finishing off at Fleet Factors in Leeds, another happy client, another quick turnaround job. Been having trouble with people trespassing, wanted to make his site secure, so just finishing off, looking well. Nice big 7 metre double access gate.